Hi YouTube, just a quick update this time. As you can obviously see, I've given it a coat of red oxide. It was going rusty very quickly, so I just had to do something. So that's just to protect it. It'll obviously start being chipped off with things I'm doing, but it'll give it some protection. I did decide to put this strake in all the way around, the second one at the bottom. What it's done, in fact, it's warped the sides a little bit. It's brought these into each other. So what I've done, to stretch it out a bit, I've made whether you can see that, two of those, just a piece of channel, a piece of box section with a 6mm hole in, a length of 6mm rod, and they will act as braces across the side. Just need to wind out the nuts and it will take the sides out to the right dimension, and at the same time it'll give it extra strength as well. Whether that will stay in when it's finished or whether it will be replaced by something else, I'm not sure. But anyway, that's the main thing I've done. Give it a coat of red oxide and make that brace. And as well as that, I've made that up. Just the main structure of the cabin. It doesn't look much at the moment, and it looks a bit tatty actually, but it's only just been welded up a few minutes ago. So that's as far as I've got. Look a bit like a biscuit tin on the top at the moment, but once it's all shaped and fitted and there's windows in and a door in each end, I'm sure it'll be fine. So that's it for about now. I'll get back to you again when there's more progress. Bye for now.